Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Face on the Milk Carton. So a long time ago, before we had cell phones and technology and Amber Alerts, we used to put pictures of missing kids on your milk carton. And then when people would be sitting around at their dinner table and have the milk carton out, they could see the people that were missing. So in this one, no one ever really paid that close attention to those pictures that were on the milk carton of those missing kids. But then our main character, Janie Johnson, one morning at breakfast, she glances over at the picture of this ordinary girl. A little girl with her hair in tight pigtails, wearing a blue dress with a white collar. It's a 3-year-old who was kidnapped 12 years earlier from a New Jersey shopping mall. And then Janie has a feeling of shock come over her. She knows that little girl. That little girl is her. But how can that possibly be true? Janie cannot believe that her parents would have kidnapped her. But then she starts piecing things together, and nothing really makes sense. So something is terribly wrong. Did Mr. and Mrs. Johnson actually kidnap Janie from that mall years ago? And if not, then who is Janie and what all has really happened? To find out, read The Face on the Milk Carton. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.